So this is what's happening at the farmhouse today. Come take a look. Today I'm going to show you how to make lavender sea salt that you substitute for regular salt in your sourdough bread. This is really simple, and yet I've seen this salt sold at markets for upwards of $10 a jar. All you need are lavender buds, sea salt, and a Morton pestle. Or if you have a coffee or spice grinder, that works too. Lavender is by far my favorite scent, and I grow it all over my property. In the fall, I harvest and dry the lavender so I can use it in my wintertime projects, usually to make soap, salves, and body butters. And today, I'm taking about a teaspoon of lavender, equivalent to 2 buds, and half a cup of sea salt. Don't worry, if you don't have dried, harvested lavender at the ready, you can find lavender buds at your local bulk barn. So to start, pick off 2 heads worth of lavender buds, 1 teaspoon, and plop them into your Morton pestle. Give them a little grind and then add half a cup of sea salt. Grind that all together and transfer to a mason jar. Ta-da! You have now made lavender-infused sea salt that you can use to add a wonderful summertime essence to your sourdough. Enjoy!